Before buying a pickleball paddle, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Some paddles might look great and have fancy features, but the right choice for you is all about comfort and playability. Product number 1, MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set. Let's kick things off with the MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set. Priced at $35.98, this set includes 2 paddles, 4 balls, grip tapes, and a carry bag. What caught my attention was its USAPA approval, which means it's suitable for tournaments. If you want a reliable starter set that covers all bases, this is worth a serious look. This combo means you get excellent ball control and minimal vibration during play. With a weight range of 7.78 to 7.8 ounces, they're light enough for easy maneuverability, making them great for beginners who are still developing their swing. The grip size of 4.57 inches is designed for comfort and power, allowing you to really snap your wrist for spin shots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the right grip and weight can dramatically improve your gameplay experience and help you develop your skills faster. Now, some people complained about the paddles being slightly heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, while they might feel a bit hefty at first, that extra weight actually helps with stability and control, especially for beginners still refining their technique. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want a complete set without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra lightweight because it may not suit your taste. Overall, you're getting a great deal for the price you pay. Now, if the weight of the MTEN paddles bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter feel. Product number 2, Jonk I Pickleball Paddle Set. Next up, we have the Jonk I Pickleball Paddle Set, priced at $59.90. This set includes 4 paddles, 2 outdoor and 2 indoor balls, grip tapes, and a storage bag. What stood out to me was its optimal weight of just 8 ounces, which strikes a nice balance between control and power. If you're looking for a family-friendly set that scales well from beginners to intermediates, this is a solid choice. The paddles are made from top-grade fiberglass and feature a large sweet spot, which is super forgiving for those just starting out. The cushioned grip is anti-slip and designed for comfort, allowing you to play longer without tiring your hands. Plus, they're USAPA approved, so you're getting a product that's tournament-ready. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having multiple paddles means you can play with friends and family, making it a great way to enjoy the game together. However, I noticed a few complaints about the included balls losing their bounce quickly. Here's the thing though, while that can be frustrating, you can always pick up some replacement balls easily from any sports store. This is perfect for you if you're planning on playing with a group or family. Skip this one if you want just a single paddle, as it might feel like overkill for solo practice. For the price, you're getting exceptional value with everything included. Alright, that was a robust option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more stylish. Product number 3, Dinkley Pickleball Paddle Set. Moving on, we have the Dinkley Pickleball Paddle Set, retailing for $42.49. This set includes 2 paddles and 4 balls along with a carry bag. I love the unique wave check graphics on these paddles. If you want something that looks good while also delivering performance, this one deserves your attention. These paddles weigh in at 8 ounces and feature a lightweight polymer honeycomb core, which means they're super responsive and easy to handle. The ergonomic grip fits comfortably in your hand, giving you control and improved spin during play. The best part, they are USAPA approved, so you can confidently use them in tournaments. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of comfort and style can make your practice sessions more enjoyable and boost your confidence on the court. That said, some users mentioned that the paddles could feel a bit flimsy during aggressive play. Here's the thing though, they're designed for beginners, and their lightweight nature actually helps prevent fatigue during long matches. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values aesthetics and comfort in their gear. Skip this one if you're a more advanced player looking for something more durable. For the price, you're getting a stylish and functional set. Now, if you're looking for something even more professional, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, VUFO XT Pickleball Paddles Set. Next, we have the VUFO XT Pickleball Paddles Set priced at $37.99. This set offers 2 paddles, 4 balls, and a carry bag. What really caught my eye was the lightweight carbon fiber surface, which provides a great balance of power and precision. If you want a paddle that helps you hit hard while maintaining control, this one's a great option. The paddles weigh around 7.8 ounces, making them easy to maneuver, especially for beginners. With a polymer honeycomb core, they ensure durability and longevity, which means you won't have to replace them as often. The sweat-absorbent grip allows for comfortable play without slipping. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a lightweight paddle can help you improve your swing and reaction times, essential for developing your skills. However, some users did point out that the paddles might not offer enough power for stronger players. Here's the thing though, for beginners, this paddle is perfect to learn control and technique before moving up to heavier options. This is perfect for you if you're focused on developing your skills without feeling fatigued. Skip this one if you're already an advanced player needing something heavier or more powerful. At this price, you're getting a solid entry-level paddle. Finally, let's check out the last option, which is another budget-friendly choice. Product number 5, Neupippo Pickleball Paddles Set. Finally, we have the Neupippo Pickleball Paddles Set available for just $35.99. This set includes 2 paddles and 4 balls, and it's great for those who want a simple yet effective solution. The approval from USAPA caught my eye, ensuring quality. If you want an affordable option that's still tournament-ready, then look no further. The polypropylene honeycomb core offers both strength and a quieter playing experience. The grip is designed to be comfortable for extended play, making it less likely for you to experience hand fatigue. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A quieter paddle can make playing in residential areas much more enjoyable without worrying about noise complaints. However, some users mentioned that the paddles can feel a bit basic compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for beginners, this simplicity can be a blessing as it allows you to focus on your technique without distractions. This is perfect for you if you're just getting started and want a no-fuss option. Skip this one if you're after advanced features or designs. For the price, you're getting quality without breaking the bank. So we've covered 5 great pickleball paddles perfect for beginners. The MTEN and Neupippo options are fantastic for budget-conscious players, while the Jonk Eye and Dinkley paddles offer more features. And if you want something a bit higher-end, the VUFO XT provides performance and comfort. Whatever you choose, you're sure to enjoy your time on the court.